They are very scared of this snake ear because some of them, they have the chart monkey and tiger, right? So it's a punishment star. 2025 snake ear. So snake ear will have some impact for people who have, for example, monkey. Correct? Monkey, there's a break. I have monkey in my chart. Okay, then monkey and snake will be a break. Now, monkey and snake is actually not only a break, it's also a combination. It's also a combo, it's also a combination. Alright, so it's combined or it's break? It's combined and break. The answer is combined at the same time, it's also a break. Huh? Means what? Means, for example, Dr. Kim and you, we are best friend. Then snake ear, we are still best friend, but we have some misunderstanding. Huh? So it's a combine and still break. The concept of break is removal, take away. That is the meaning of monkey in the chart. In snake ear, right? Take away, right? But at the same time, it combine. Break is like that, like removal. Like this teeth is important. This teeth you need it, but it's taken away also. Other than that, you got other meaning also. For example, doing good deeds but fail. For example, can you lend me some money? Okay, I lend it to you. But you took the money to gamble. Huh? Something like that. Huh? Monkey snake also got something to do with original family has separation issues. Okay? Or hidden sabotage. So be careful. Okay? Then how about the harm relationship? Harm usually is, the injury is quite bad one. Harm is like really sabotage you. Harm is really, really bad. Tiger and snake. Right? So snake ear, my chart have tiger. Correct or not? That is a harmful relationship already. Harmful. Right? It's much, much more worse than sabotage. Break is sometimes not so big deal. Right? We break up, it's okay, we break up, I can marry again. Not an issue, right? But of course, removing something good from you, of course, you're not happy, right? But it does not kill you. But harm can kill you. Harm usually can kill you also. Right? Or almost kill you. Okay? Separation is sabotage. That is the concept of harm. Means total removal. Yin also has something to do with scam. So be careful if your butler have snake and tiger. Okay? Scammer love people whose birth chart have tiger. 他们很喜欢的. I notice this is from my reading experience. I realize people who have this in their budget, they have high chance of stroke. Snake and monkey is also combined, is also break. Right? Combined with water. So you have to see your chart. What is the water? Water is relationship. Good. But don't forget, the combine comes with a break. So don't be too happy too early also. Snake and pig crash. Crash usually means quarrel or changes. Changes, for example, change of marital status. High is my relationship. Right? And then the snake come in, crash the chart because it is combined. So it crash it up. The other one appears. Okay? Extorting can be extorting also, right? Busybody or helpful. So crash, scary or not? Crash, not scary. Crash, break, scary, break also not scary. Scary is what? Punishment and harm. Very scary. Punishment is like what? Penalty. Punishment usually will see blood, right? Or lawsuit, crime. Punishment sure will have pain. 今天. So punishment and harm sure have pain. 今天. So therefore, we know that, teacher, my chart have tiger and monkey, and then the snake come already. Correct? Now, the good thing is the snake only survived for a year. So if there's any suffering, it's a year. Not so bad, right?